Time woven twice. Amser, Gwehyddu, Ddwywaith. An extract from my debut book, Coming Back to My Trees. There are places in Wales where the past is so close you can almost hear it breathing. Castell Henllys is one of them. I had long looked forward to this visit. I'd read about it, seen photos of the reconstructed Iron Age roundhouses, but nothing prepared me for the quiet, humming power of actually walking into a village where time had been woven twice. Once by ancient hands, and again by modern reverence. Set in the Pembrokeshire Hills, this place isn't just a museum or an educational site, it's a living echo. The roundhouses that stand there now were rebuilt using traditional methods and materials on the exact footprint of the original village that once stood proudly on these slopes some 2,000 years ago. To walk through those doors is to step across a veil. The moment I arrived, I was met by guides in period costumes. But there was no hint of caricature here. These weren't actors playing dress up. They were living links in the long human chain. Their knowledge, their craft, and their passion lit up the place like firelight on wattle and daub. I stood listening to them speak about how life would have been, the roles of women and warriors, of druids and dreamers, of farmers and storytellers. And all the while I was standing on the very ground where those people once walked, cooked, slept, laughed, and loved. The smell of wood smoke cooled around the rafters of the roundhouses. Inside, the thatch dimmed the sun just enough to make it feel like another world. The fire in the centre pulsing half. Around my fingers along the smooth wooden benches, feeling the textures of time. Clay pots, simple tools, woven cloaks hanging like stories waiting to be told. And outside, the hills watched quietly, as they always have. Trees rimmed the edges of the site like silent witnesses. The birds sang the same songs they would have sang to our ancestors. I found myself sitting on a stone near the outside palisade, imagining children running across the clearing, the smell of cowl, the ring of laughter, the sound of flint against iron. Here was a village built again, not just from timber and earth, but from memory and honour. There is a powerful beauty in this kind of restoration, not of bricks or bones, but of belonging. Castell Henllys doesn't just tell us about history. It invites us into it. It lets us feel, for a moment, what it is to be woven into the land, not as a visitor, but as someone who remembers. As I left, I paused to look back at the site once more. The thatch roofs curved like hills themselves, nestled into the arms of the valley. And I thought, what a gift it is that such a place exists. Not frozen in time, but alive in it. A village where the past isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to step inside.